Welcome back, students. Let us continue the lesson Tools of Word Processor. So in this lesson we are at the last point, that is thesaurus. So almost all the points are covered and that videos are uploaded in my YouTube channel. If you are not watched, so please watch that videos to understand that concept. So now point is thesaurus. So using thesaurus. So what is thesaurus and what is the use of thesaurus in a Microsoft Word? So let us discuss. Okay. So first let me open Microsoft Word, click on start, click on all programs, click on Microsoft Office, then click on Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, so this is the window of Microsoft Word. Now what is thesaurus? So thesaurus is like a dictionary. So in a regular in a day-to-day regular life, so to find out the synonyms, antonyms, synonyms means similar meaning words, antonyms means opposite words. So to find out the synonyms and all, we are referring the dictionary. Okay, same way in a Microsoft Word, so there is an inbuilt dictionary. So inbuilt dictionary is provided. So with the help of that inbuilt dictionary, we can find out the synonyms, means the similar meaning of that selected word, and antonym. Antonyms means opposite word of that selected word. So that can be find out by using this thesaurus option. Thesaurus helps us to improve our vocabulary by providing a list of synonyms, words with similar meaning. Synonyms means. So let me copy one paragraph. Okay, so this is one paragraph. Let me paste once again the same paragraph. Then I am increasing little bit zoom. Okay, to display the text very clearly. Synonyms helps to improve the vocabulary, means we can improve our own vocabulary, means we can find out the synonyms of the selected word, means similar meaning words, and we can understand, we can gain the knowledge. And antonyms means words with opposite meaning. Okay, so words with opposite meaning also we can find out of any word. Follow these steps to use thesaurus. Okay. Here they given us steps to find out the synonyms and antonyms of a selected word. The first point is select the word for which you want to find the synonyms or antonyms. Now I want to find out the synonyms of or similar meaning of a word frequently. Okay. Now I want to see what is the meaning of similar meaning of this word frequently. Okay. So first select the word. I have selected. You can select here. For selection, just hold down the left mouse button and drag it over the text, or just double click on that text, it gets select. You can follow any one method so that text gets select. After selecting, click on the review tab, select the thesaurus option in the proofing group. Here click on a review tab. In a review, group name is proofing. So in a proofing group, just click on thesaurus option. So just click on thesaurus option. Then you get the research pane. The research task pane opens, displaying the synonyms and antonyms. Okay, see here the research, this is a research task pane. So in this, here it is showing synonyms and antonyms of this selected word. Move the mouse pointer to the suitable word, click on the drop down button present on its right side and select the insert option. The existing word will be replaced with the selected one. So now, for example, the meaning of word frequently is often, or regularly, or normally, commonly. So these are similar meaning. The opposite of frequently is seldom or infrequently. So this is opposite of this word. Frequently opposite is infrequently or seldom. Now, if you want to replace this word in this place, now I want, instead of frequently, I want to use this word commonly. In that case, so just click on this arrow button and click on insert button. So in the place of that word, it gets select. Okay, the selected word gets select in that place. We can replace the word. For example, what is the meaning of this font? So let us see. Okay, you can type it here also, or close this and again click on thesaurus. Font means typeface, lettering, type, Arial. So these are the similar meaning of this word, and you can see it. You can take it down So plenty of similar meanings are given. Okay, synonym words are given of this selected text. Okay, font. Yeah. If you want to replace any word, in that case, so select the word. When you take your mouse pointer, automatically you will get the outline for that text. I want to replace this foundation. Just take the mouse pointer to that spinner button and click on insert option. Automatically this new word gets replaced in that existing word place. Okay, you can replace the word by using this technique. So this is the thesaurus option. Thesaurus is mainly used to improve the vocabulary or to find out the synonyms or antonyms of a selected word, or directly see a, for example, now if you don't have anything here, if you want a meaning of any word, just open thesaurus. So in this thesaurus option, in the search box, just type it. For example, school. What is the meaning of school? So just click on the school means. So these are the synonyms, similar meaning of school. Okay. Here, see, you can take it down. Educate, discipline, instruct, teach, tutor, drill, coach. Okay. So this is the similar meaning of that word. Or if you want to find out hospital, just click on this arrow button. You will get this the similar meaning of that hospital. And if word is not existing, for example, let me type one word. I will type Chikkodi. Okay, so Chikkodi word is not existing in this dictionary. So when you type and when you click on search button, see, you will get the result. No results were found. In the sense, this word is not existing in a computer dictionary. So in a systems dictionary, this word is not existing. When it doesn't get the meaning of that particular word, in that case, here no results were found. Message will be displayed for the user. In this way, we can use thesaurus option in Microsoft Word document. I hope you have understood this point, and here ends your lesson. If you have any queries, any questions related to this lesson, you can ask me. Okay, thank you for watching.